What's going on, guys? Captain Tyin knots here, and today we're learning the bowline knot. So first, what you want to do is make a loop in the standing end of the rope. Then you are going to take the tail end and pass it up through that loop, then around your fingers and around the standing end of the rope, and then down back through the loop. And then you're going to pull tight. Hopefully your knot looks like this one here, and congratulations, you just tied your first bowline knot. In case that was a little too fast, I'll run it back here in slow-mo. The key thing to remember is make sure that you go up through the loop for the first portion of the knot, and then you go around the back end, so the behind of your fingers and behind that standing end of the rope before going back down through the loop and pulling tight. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys got the hang of it, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.